Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about a cue card named Describe an occasion when you invited your friends or relatives to your house or a restaurant. The cues are: what was the occasion? Whom did you invite? How did they feel about it? Okay, so you may have 1 minute to think about the cues or what to say when the cue card begins. So if we start to think about the cues, first cue is what was the occasion? So the occasion can be anything from birthdays to parties to maybe just a casual meeting, or it can be something like when the lockdown ends, you are just eagerly waiting to meet somebody, or maybe your best friends. In my case, it is my besties. IELTS exam will start after the lockdown is totally over. So during that time, you can just make up something like this in your mind, that a situation in which you were like inside your home with your family member, or maybe you were somewhere alone, like in an apartment, or maybe in a paying guest, as a paying guest, you were alone. And at that time, you were thinking some things like this: if the lockdown is over, I will meet with this person and that person. So just try to bring all these kind of imagination in this cue card. So the second cue for us is, whom did you invite? So for this, again, I have said that you can talk about your friends, your besties, your relatives, maybe your parents. Maybe you were away from your parents, you want to invite them, so why not? And the third one is, how did they feel about it? Now, in the feeling part, you can add your feelings too, because you are a human being. So you will add something, how you felt. You felt happy because you saw them happy. Maybe they were feeling overjoyed. They were having all kinds of emotions when they met you, because it was long time, maybe 2 months, maybe 3 months of lockdown, who knows. So you were, after meeting them, you people, may you can have that tears in your eyes. That can be that feeling when you are meeting somebody. So you can add that stuff also while you are saying about this speaking cue card. Normally, I have seen students when they are speaking on cue cards like this, they generally talk about they were inviting somebody in a nearby restaurant, in the birthday parties, and something like that. So you can add a twist, because I'm not saying you have to give any kind of different idea, unique idea. You can give a different kind of twist in this. And the cue card, the way you are speaking, it depends on that. The band score depends on that. If you are saying something with emotions, it can work for you. There is no issue. Just you have to be a little bit of natural. That's it. Okay, so let's start the way I would have told the cue card if I got this in my exam. Being a social person, I like joining parties and gatherings. I feel very lively whenever I am among my near and dear ones. In this situation, I'm gonna talk about the recent party that I threw for my post birthday celebration. Actually, my birthday was back in the month of March. It was like in the March end. But as there was a lockdown all over the world due to the pandemic COVID 19, so I dropped the idea of celebrating my birthday back then. But as soon as the lockdown got over, I made a plan to meet my besties and have a little chit chat with them. So, as I had decided, I asked them, Carlo and Sarah, to join me at a multi cuisine restaurant, which is well known for its mouth watering delicacies, near my home. We met there at 7 p.m. And as everything was not like the way it was before the pandemic broke, We three followed the strict instructions by the World Health Organization or WHO, that is, maintaining a social distance from the people nearby. We even covered our face with masks. Meeting my friends physically after the lockdown made me very emotional. Though I kept in touch with them throughout the pandemic, meeting them in person was entirely a different feeling. To be honest, it was a well spent evening. We clicked selfies in order to preserve this sweet memory of the three of us hanging out. My friends were delighted as we got a break from the panic stricken situation and had the opportunity to hang out after such a long time. I would love to join a gathering like this again if given a chance. So, if you are saying your cue card like this, if you are adding such words like the vocabularies we say, then it would definitely give you a boost in your band score. It does not matter if you are just stuck in a word, like you are pronouncing a word and you fumble. It can happen sometimes, but again, don't do this over and over, and that's how you will get a great. I have also made a list of the words that I have used in this cue card, which is a little bit different from the words that we use generally in our daily to daily life. And you can use those words in any cue card of your choice. These words are not only restricted to a particular cue card, you can use it in cue cards in which you can fit them. Hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, you can share this with your near and dear ones and the ones who are preparing for IELTS. And best of luck!